Revolution Plus Property is like the word says, a property development company founded about 6 years ago. We started the company about 6 years. By May 2020, 6 years. So the vision is very simple: affordable housing. I want to provide affordable housing to Nigerians, both home and abroad. One of the focus is because number one, I've been in real estate sector for like 13 years because I was a mortgage banker for 13 good years before I founded Revolution Plus Property with my wife. So I've been in the real estate sector. If you had 13 plus 6, that's about 17 years. I've been dealing in real estate. So while I was working, I discovered over time that there are so many housing deficits in Nigeria, over 18 million. And the government is working so much trying to cut the deficit, but it just seems like deficit is increasing every day. So when I made up my mind that okay, I'm going to real estate property, we told us our focus should be affordable housing. People that earn little to be able to become land or house owners. Affordable housing in the sense that our prices are quite affordable, very affordable payment plan. You can even pay over 5 years, you can pay over 3 years, you can pay over 2 years, 1 year interest free. So that's our focus. Then our houses are affordable luxuries. You know, some houses you see in the heart of Lagos, maybe Ikoyi, VI, that you feel like you want to live in, but you cannot afford it. That's what we bring it in our houses. Very affordable. Then our land and our site and service properties, our plots are quite affordable too. So we do everything affordable so that everybody, our target is everybody, the low income earners, the middle income, and the high. We have properties of 850,000 naira, and we have properties of 60 million. We have properties of 10 million, we have properties of 1 million. So you fit in wherever you think your income can carry. That's our focus.
So let's talk about the issue of housing. Affordable housing remains a problem in Nigeria. How do the products and services of Revolution Plus Property provide solutions to this problem?
Thank you very much. The role of the government is very clear. Is to provide policies, regulations, and we as private sectors, Revolution Plus as a case study now, is to work with the government in providing housing. Every successful economy has been able to work closely with the private sector to build the economy. So that's what Revolution Plus is doing. We are working closely with the government. We are providing affordable housing. We have properties of quite affordable as 850,000 naira. Like I even pay 1 year without interest land. We have 1 million naira. We even have properties of that I can pay over 5 years interest free. We call it Young Landlord Promo. We have properties of 10 million naira. We have property of 15, 20 million naira land. And we have houses. Our clients are artisans. We have organizers. We have Yele Yalata, people, Ijora market leaders, Ijora market people selling fish and meat in Ijora, Agege market, Ikeja market, Ikodo market, Ota market, Lekki market. So we target the informal sector. Because these are vulnerable people that they've been working, if they are not careful over the years, they will not even own any property before they die. So that's why we say, okay, ours is quite affordable. It's for the very low income earner, for the low income, for middle and the high. We have properties everywhere.
Just like the housing problem, there are other needs in society, and a lot of private sector players try to provide solutions to these things through CSR. What does Revolution Plus Property do to give back to society through CSR?
We do so much for CSR. Pre-COVID, we have free schools in Ikorodu that we built, fully funded by Revolution Plus. It's a foundation founded by me and my wife it's a free private school. Private school, they don't pay 1 naira, no tuition, free books, free uniform for people that their parents cannot afford private school. And they dream that children pay private school. Even during this COVID, the teachers have been receiving salaries. We pay them salary, though they are not teaching. And we make sure that the children do online teaching. all being paid for by us. Is fully funded by Chris Bamidele and Elijah Foundation, CBOF, which me and my wife are the directors. Also, every year, we give at least 40 widows 50,000 naira every year to augment their business. Some 100,000, some we give sewing machines, grinding machines, empowerment. We do it so much a lot. Also, in the location where our properties are, we go there to do CSR. So many times we go to Bejuleke area, we go to Ibadan, we give free books, food, and so many other palliative to the indigenes of that area. So let me tell you, during COVID, we strategically gave money to some state governments, the Lagos and Oyo states, and the governors write us to say thank you. I have the letters in my office. And also we went to the locations where our estates are in Bejuleke, about 5 or 6 communities. We gave them palliative, free food, rice, beans, gari, everything. And we do that. We always do it because they know us. So we went to Ibadan also. We went to Okiolodo. We went to our estate in Ido, and we gave everybody food. Their KBS, even their balance, came out to say thank you. All the videos are there. So we are givers. That's what we love to do, because we are being trained by a teacher who is our pastor. We love to give, and that's what we do.
In the 6 years of the company's existence, what would you describe as some of the most significant achievements?
Wow, so many things. So many things. In the 6 years, number one, we've been able to do over 30 estates. We've been able to fulfill some of my dreams of affordable housing by making sure people that naturally cannot own a house, own it. The artisans, the organizers, the carpenters, the eleja, the eleron, in all those markets, they can easily say they own a house or a land through Revolution Plus. For me, that's fulfillment. And we've done so many things. We've impacted so many lives. We've have so many realtors. We put food on people's table. We have over 5,000 people, almost 10,000, selling our products all over the world. And some of them, they don't do 9-to-5 job. It is only our product they sell. So they are not really direct staffs, but they sell our products every Monday to Friday to Sunday. They go for inspection. They make sure people buy our products. And from that, they put food on their table. I've been able to provide employment. I've been able to augment what the government cannot do. They are doing so much, but we are augmenting them to make sure that people don't lack. And, for instance, if there's no such opportunity, there'll be miscreants on the road. People will be hungry. Children will die of hunger. But we've been able to do that, to put food on people's table. So for us, we've achieved so much by putting people on people's table. And also, we've got so many awards. I was the real estate entrepreneur of the year just last year. My wife, me and my wife are the real estate couple of the year last year. So all the awards are there. 2018, I was also the real estate entrepreneur of the year in 2018. So we are doing so much, and we are giving back to the society. And just recently, just a few days ago, I was elected, as the chairman of Real Estate Development Association of Nigeria, REDAN, for Lagos State. REDAN is an association, umbrella body for developers. Our headquarters in Abuja. We have a national president. We have the Southwest chairman who controls the 6 states in the Southwest. Out of the Southwest, we have Lagos. I'm the chairman for Lagos. I just got elected, and it was a big one because everybody wanted a change in the built industry. So we are working closely with the government. Okay, your policies, let's look at it together. Let's enforce these policies and talk to our members to say, now, there's a new era. Things you are doing before, don't do it again. Things have changed. So that's what we are. It's a big achievement for us, and we are working around the clock to achieve more.